The Chevrolet Impala is an American full-size car that was produced by the GM Chevrolet Auto Giant division as a model from 1958 to 1985, from 1994 to 1996, and also from 2000. In the model list, the car ranked differently, considering the specific year of production. Until 1965, it was the most expensive passenger car model of the American company. The car was named Impala after an African antelope. The company positioned their car not as a large family car, but as a sports car, so the Americans decided to name the car after such an agile animal. Since 1967, the car has been produced in a 4-door hardtop version, as well as a 2-door hardtop and convertible. Ground clearance height was 163 mm, which allowed using the vehicle even on country roads. Since it is the third generation of this model, it no longer has fins and bloated shapes. One can notice the change in styling of the 4-door body, which now looks more linear and has horizontal taillights instead of round headlights, which were present on the 1965 Chevrolet Impala. Although bloated shapes are gone, there's still plenty of chrome, which is a joy to see. The interior was equipped with a wrinkled steering column, which was not used before. Moreover, the American company installed 3-point safety belts. A slim American-style 3-spoke sport-type steering wheel was installed in front of the driver. Despite the year of production, the seats were comfortable and upholstered. Behind the steering wheel was a massive dashboard with 3 large round gauges and 4 smaller round gauges placed on each side. On the right, the large gauge was not a gauge, but a large clock. On the left side, there is a speedometer. But it is not possible to find the tachometer, because it is absent. The oil pressure is shown with the help of light bulbs. Either it is there, or it is not. The center console has a radio unit, as well as the heater controls. The gearshift lever is also not found in its usual place. Here it is placed on the steering column, behind the steering wheel. Chevrolet provided several engines for the American. This could be a 6-cylinder 4-liter turbo Thrift i6, generating 155 horses, 319 Nm. It allowed the car to reach 98 miles per hour. Then there was a more powerful V8 8-cylinder Turbo Fire 5-liter engine, producing about 200 horsepower. As for the 5.4-liter similar engine, it could develop 250 horsepower. The atmospheric 396 engine had a displacement of 6.5 liters. The most powerful V8 engine is considered a 7-liter 390 horsepower power plant. It allows accelerating from a place up to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. This is even with not the fastest gearbox.